Qwen 3 was just published and it's crazy. It got immediately retracted, so currently it's not available, but we got these screenshots, and by the time you watch this video, it should be again published. So we got 4 billion parameter model. So here it says Qwen 3 4 billion and Qwen 3 4 billion base. Now, what is the difference? I'm not sure exactly. So this could be a thinking model or this could be instruct model. So I don't know which one. Or it should be something else. And then this base should be just the base pre-trained model. That's what I'm guessing. We also have 30 billion parameter model, but this is a mixture of experts. So it has 3 billion active parameters. So it's gonna be a lot easier to run the inference because only 3 billion parameters are active. And we have a really small model, Qwen 0.6 billion. So this is really, really small. Now, I wonder if it's possible to get these small models to reason. I think it's, until now, I think people weren't really able to do so, but let's see what Qwen team does. This person was able to quickly download this model before they removed it again. So we have some vocabulary, some other files, but this is just partially, so we will just wait. But we can take a look at the vocabulary. It looks like we have around 130,000 tokens, which is kinda average of other models, so there is no changes in vocabulary size. So this person was probably able to copy paste quickly what they wrote while the model was up, so it has following improvements over Qwen 2.5. Expanded higher quality pre-training corpus. Qwen 3 is pre-trained on 36 trillion tokens. That is insane. I've never seen this. I think the biggest we've had is Llama, 15 trillion, if I'm not wrong. And this is 36 trillion. So I guess they had a lot of data from Chinese language as well as whole English internet. Because the company Alibaba, they are a big company in China and they have a lot of data. So they have 119 languages, tripling the language coverage of Qwen 2.5 with a much richer mix of high quality data, including coding, STEM, reasoning, book, multilingual, and synthetic data. This is interesting, synthetic data. Maybe they found a better way to train on synthetic data because when you generate data from an LLM and train another LLM, it usually leads to model collapse. So everything starts burning, nothing works, and the model crashes and cannot train. So perplexity explodes, maybe loss is not going down, so it isn't learning. So they describe 3 stages. The first stage is pre-training. This is just teaching the LLM to imitate text on the internet. Second stage is the reasoning, the thinking that they're mentioning here. And the third stage is extending the context window to 32,000 tokens. So I don't know if this is for all of the Qwen models or just for some. And by the way, I'm just reading the comment of this guy, so I hope this was copied from the website and he didn't just like ChatGPT or invent this. Then they also did scaling law experiments by tuning learning rate, schedule, and batch size. So it does seem like this is something they would do. It seems like we also have enabled thinking to true or false. So this is gonna be, I think, the integrated model that can both think and not think like Claude did and like everybody is trying to do right now, as opposed to having 2 separate models. So I think they just trained same model that can think or not think. And they have all of the information like number of layers, 36, number of attention heads in grouped query attention. Interesting. So they didn't use like DeepSeek's multi-head latent attention or native sparse attention. We'll see, maybe they did. I'm not sure if it's possible to use both of them. And then there is also 235 billion parameter model that has 22 billion active parameters. So this is mixture of experts. So this is gonna be similar to DeepSeek V3, but a bit smaller. Now I wonder about performance. And here I'm gonna scroll through these if somebody wants to see it. A lot of experts, 128 experts, that's crazy. a number of experts per token 8. So I think they don't have any sliding window of attention. So it looks like we have 0.6B, 4B, 14B, 8B, 30B, and 235B. And are there any more? I don't know. Maybe there are. Looks like there is also 1.7 billion parameters. So they have a lot of models, and Alibaba is known to give a lot of models. But it could also have 256 context window from this presentation. So I'm guessing this is the guy from Qwen, but I'm not sure if that's true. So this guy just posted it on Reddit, some other guy. And the source is trust me, bro, so I don't know. So some guy told some guy that the context window of Qwen is 256K, I guess.